living in Florida and it's snowing. We're here, we're doing it. We are literally living in Florida right now and it's snowing. I'm not talking about flurries or just a little speckle of snow here and there. I'm talking full on snowfall, sleet, ice, the works. We are getting the works, guys. We are getting the works. Oh, it's snowing. Oh my goodness. Look. It's snowing in Florida. Holy moly. The cats are warm. I'm gonna go back and get warm and come back out when it's not to snow. So it's a laugh. People are joking about it, but it's also super serious because we're not like conditioned for snow here at all. Like nobody is. You should have seen us all out there trying to like winterproof our houses. It was hilarious this past couple days. Oh, look at my sea turtles. They're just getting like covered in snow. I gotta go back out there. Oh, poor kitty. Hey, Kiki. That's not one of mine though, but poor thing. These Florida cats don't know what's happening. So many people here that's never driven in snow and ice, and it's scary. Like, it's super scary. Like, even though we know how to drive in it and we did it for years, a lot of people down here have no clue what to do. And there's no resources here. We don't have salt trucks and people out here that's going to scrape your roads with, get the snow out of your driveway. It's just, we're stuck with this, which in my opinion, I'm fine with. I'm fine with being stuck with the snow. But we've all been waiting in anticipation because they said it would snow, but we're like, really, bro? Is it really going to snow in Florida? Like, is it really? But the temperatures have been so cold, so we're like, dude, this could happen. This could really happen. So this morning, we're all just waiting and waiting. And literally the entire panhandle shut down last night. This morning, there was a couple places open, but then they shut down at noon. So that we're all ready. Like, bridges are going to be down. We're just here to enjoy it. I don't know about you guys, but I'm ready to go out here and play in this snow. It has been a long time coming, and I'm ready. Hey, turtle. There's my turtles up close. I'd say we got a good inch of snow now. Look at my car. I swear we got a good inch of snow, guys. It's got to be about an inch. Holy crap. This is insane. What do you think, bro? We gonna make some snow angels, maybe a snowman? Something? You wanna like do something?
Not much we can do.
You wanna make a snow angel?
No, I should probably put on something more than Crocs.
He wore Crocs. Let me show him.
This is the shoes I normally wear.
Dude, you're wearing Crocs. You should put socks and shoes on. Go get those other deck boots. I'm so excited. I'm waiting for everybody else to come so we can have some fun. This is insane. What do you think about this, Paul?
Oh no, this is crazy. Did you ever think you would see this?
No, not in a million years. Not here. Not this much snow.
No, I know it, yeah.
I've heard flurries and like years ago, like even when we moved here first, we might have had 1 or 2 flurries.
Yeah, I know it is.
One year.
Crazy,
Oh my gosh. But just to see the palm trees and all the snow.
I want to do a snow angel. They can do snow angels in Kentucky.
No. Oh yeah, everyone in Kentucky did the Snow Angel Challenge. Well, guess what, bros? We're over here in Florida gonna make some snow angels.
I don't know how I'm going to get my fat self back up, but... Oh, it's snowing.
Oh my goodness.
Where's Landon at? I thought he was out here.
He was, but he got cold. Can you get up or you need some help?
Did he do a snow angel?
No.
You going to do one?
Yes, let me see what your angel looks like. Oh, it's so pretty. Snow Angel Challenge. Woo! Here we go. This is hilarious. Yes! Snow what my angel looks like. I made one in Florida. Oh my gosh, guys. This is hilarious. So I actually doubled up on my clothes just like I did when I was little. I got my pajamas on under my pants, slicky pants too. I got my, well, I didn't have a winter coat, but I got like layers. Finally whipped out my new Columbia sweatshirt that I've been wanting to wear forever. This is amazing. I love this. I think we have a wind chill of like freaking cold. I don't even know what the wind chill is right now, guys, but it is cold. Did you finally find use for that snow shovel you got?
Never need a snow shovel down here.
That's the first thing you said. We don't need no snow shovel.
What are they roll?
That's amazing.
Buddy, this is Kentucky snow shovel.
Kentucky snow shovel up here in Florida.
I'll rent it to you. I'll sell it to you, but it costs like $50.
I just cannot get over this.
Oh, no, this is crazy, man.
All about the good vibes, all about the good vibes.
Who says you can't build snowmen in Florida? Oh, he's so cute.
Got me a snowman. Check it out, snowman from the rose bush.
Oh, goodness.
These don't look too enthused.
You bundled up? You got proper footwear? Good. That's
Yeah.
more like it. Now you won't get sick. Are you in there?
Yeah.
It's fun. It's pretty.
I can't imagine you driving out right now.
No,
That's just great.
just a nice little stroll on a Florida afternoon.
Yeah. The boys have been wanting to go walking with them ever since they've been down here.
Yeah, we've been saying it's been too hot.
It's hot. I can't go out there in this hot weather.
It's been too hot to walk. We had no excuse today not to walk.
Meanwhile, on Pensacola Beach, thanks to my good friend Christina Griffin. Historical fact, this is the first time in over 130 years, guys, that Pensacola has seen snow accumulation, and it's getting big.
2 hours later.
My mom got me this like last year and I was like, what am I going to do with that? When will I ever need this? I found a reason for it, Mom. Whether I'm putting it on right or not, we're going walking. What's the new fashion in Florida? Oh my goodness. This is just a couple hours later. Oh my gosh. My turtles are gone. They're gone, guys. Holy crap. There's even more snow. Oh my goodness. Oh my gosh. This is awesome. With snow? Oh, you stink. You stink. I don't think so. Bro. Don't get my face. Just don't get my face. No. Oh gosh. That's right, buddy. Do your chores. You didn't know that these were your new Florida chores, did you?
No. I think this is the end of the sidewalk.
Sure, why not? It's where the sidewalk ends, baby.
Yeah, it is.
Let's go look around the back and see what it looks like now. Oh my gosh, guys, look. I'm seeing about 4 inches. By golly.
Been a little serious, had a little fun. I just hope you guys know that living in Florida is a blast. I love it. It's been a dream the past 6 years, and there's so many more adventures to come. I'm finally getting my spunk back. Like, I feel like, I don't know, I'm getting some pep in my step finally. It's been
a wild year, not the best year that we wanted, but it's what we got. So choosing happiness still, even through all the crap. I'm choosing to be happy. Sometimes it's hard. It's super hard to choose happy, but we just gotta do it, bros. Until then, you guys keep on that coastal country road and living that PYT life.
Moment of truth. Put it in the middle. Oh my gosh. Right there, guys. 8 inches on my table. I feel your pain, man. I feel it. I feel your pain.
There's a party in the backyard, dance your problems away. I'm all about the good vibes. I know you're all about the good vibes.